It is of the utmost importance in times of tribulation that we find the common denominators that unite us. And what is more universal than food? And the love that we put into the cooking of food for others.
But we're also a bunch of dorks.
Food is about feeding yourself and letting yourself grow and making yourself strong enough to conquer the day, but food is also about exploring new things, new cultures, and making new mistakes. Cooking is supposed to be fun.
Taking chances, making mistakes, getting messy.
Are you quoting Miss Frizzle?
Yeah.
Of course you are. So, we decided why not make a cooking show that actually caters to people who have never set foot in a kitchen before. And if you have set foot in a kitchen before, that's awesome, because when people learn basics for the first time, a lot of times those basics are taught by somebody who's done them a million times. So they don't teach them, or they gloss over them, or they don't think that they're important. Like, I worked in a kitchen for years before learning actual basic knife skills, and it wasn't because of practice. I had to unlearn a lot of my knife skills because they weren't correct.
So we're not going to be your teachers. We're going to be one better. We're going to be the aunts that aren't, invited to the family get-together anymore because we don't keep our mouths shut, and thankfully, that's why you like us.
We're also going to talk about happy little accidents that turn into trees, because that's exactly what cooking is. So many mistakes have made amazing dishes, but those mistakes had to be made first, and there is no fault in that. And sometimes you also just burn something and you go, oh, well, I guess we're ordering pizza tonight, and that's okay too.
I will always talk about the fact that there is never such a thing as too much garlic, but you can add too much garlic to one dish, so all you have to do is change it into a different dish, which means you still don't have too much garlic.
She's gonna fight me on the too much garlic thing.
Every day.
Yeah, you're gonna see that in a couple of videos. So, we're also gonna talk about how food is culture. In between our basic recipe videos, we plan on inviting all of our friends and family, and hopefully new friends and family that we make along the way, to explain their cultures. Because culture and food are so intertwined. Sitting down at Thanksgiving is such a universal thing, even if it's not Thanksgiving, if it's Christmas or some other holiday where all families get together and they eat a meal. And the primary theme is togetherness. And what if you didn't have that family? Or you didn't have that ideal family that could get together? So we're going to invite different people to say, okay, this is not my culture, so tell me about yours. And also, like I said about never walking into a kitchen before, we will teach you like that. So don't worry about your skill level. We'll have people of all different skill levels, and all together, we'll get there. I'm Tiny Sam Test Kitchen.
And I'm Ms. Dean Cuisine.
And we're No Cookbook Left Behind.
Thank you so very much for joining us.
Babe, he wants to leave. Are we still filming?
Yes.
You want to do the outro then?
There you go.